Hello guys, welcome to Street Tech. In today's video we are going to check this new clear view cover. This is actually for Samsung Galaxy S10. At the moment I have clear view cover for my Note 8, and this is how the clear view used to be. And then I've heard that something bad went wrong on this clear view cover. We're just gonna check it out. This is the official Samsung Galaxy S10 clear view cover. You can buy it for £49, and if you are in the UK, around that price. And yeah, you can buy it online or Samsung itself. This is completely brand new, and we are gonna try it with the Samsung Galaxy S10. So at the moment I have the Caseology case. That's from them. This is quite good actually. It's make my phone a lot safer, and yeah, I like it. But today we are going to check this new Samsung Galaxy S10 view cover and compare it with the old clear view cover. And compare with the old clear view cover, this is the Note 8. And yeah, without further ado, shall we open this one now? So it's kind of different now, so it has like a tear there. It used to have something that you can pull, but now it's just something like this. I think it meant to be like that, to put your finger around there and do that. Is that how you opened it? But it looks like that's how you opened it. Okay, I'm just ripping it off. Yeah, so I don't know, that's how you do it. Yeah, instruction is not really clear, so if you want to open it up, yeah, just rip the carton back. Oh, there you go. So that's how you do it. Apparently that's how you do it. So there you go. So we've opened our Samsung Galaxy S10 clear view cover. Oh, alright. So I bought this one for £49 like a year ago, and this is also £49, same price, but however it does feel a little bit fiddly. I mean, it's very cheap looking now. Look at that. Yeah, I'll show you this one. This is my Galaxy Note 8. Coming up. So that's how it looks like before, like really nice. It's very tough compared to this one. So so to compare with the previous model, you can see that. So to compare it with the previous model, this one it has like soft something in there, but this one, no, it's just plain. I don't know, it doesn't feel the same. And then this is a clear view standing cover, which you can literally have it stand like that, like this, catches something in there. However, yeah, the new one is just a clear view cover. I was looking for a clear view standing cover, but Samsung don't do that anymore because they are the same price. Might as well buy that compared to this one. It's just like this. I don't know if I like it. However, we're gonna try to put the Samsung in there. Let's try to put the Samsung phone there. So okay, that's how it will look like once your phone is in the case already. I suppose it's kind of really thin. The top is cover but the bottom is not, so same thing. But the plastic look a lot cheaper as well. I don't know what's going on. I don't know, I don't like it. Yeah, I suppose it looks a lot smaller. Yeah, so downside is that you can't stand it anymore, so you probably can, like, oh no, it's not even standing like that. So there is no way you can have your phone standing again compared to this one. That is one down side of it. And yeah, that's how it will look like. I can't say anything about it. So keys are here, that's open, that's closed, yeah, that's the one. You can get it in this color, black. You can get it in green color, and other color is white, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, so if you like it, you can buy it, but personally, no, it's awful. Yeah, so okay, so that is just to show you the Clearview cover. So if you haven't buy anything, or if you haven't bought anything for your phone, yeah, try to see what are available. And yeah, shame about this, I don't know. Look, can you see that texture? This is kind of really soft material, but this one is not. And then you can see all the fingerprint right away. But this is very lovely, Note 8. But yeah, they change it, so unfortunately that's how it is going to be. So that is just to show you the Clearview cover of Samsung Galaxy S10. And if you wanna try, give it a try. You might like it, you might like it actually. Yeah, but good thing about this case is that it will make your phone really thin. It's making it really thin, and it's kind of nice to, you know, to hold. And then just open that up, and you can still talk. Yeah, that's the yeah, speaker there. And yeah, I can see my face. Can you see me from there? Yeah, so can you see me from there? Yeah, it's good. Okay, so that's how it will look like. This video is just to show you this Clearview cover. Alright, so I would say, yeah, that's how it is. Okay, so that's how it is gonna be, Clearview cover. Okay, so if you have any question about this one, just put that in the comment section below. And if you have any comment, just put that there as well. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.